You see? You want fishing, mouse? Hi guys, it's the cat's corner here, and I got him a new toy. I never thought they're gonna like it. It's a big fish. It's okay, mouse. And Nils is obsessed with that. Look, he's carrying it. Good, Nilsy. Nobody gonna take it away, Nilsy. Come. Come here, mouse. You're fishing by yourself? Come, Nilsy. What is he doing there? Come, Nilsy. Hi, Mitzi. What is he doing there? Hi, guys. We cannot go out yet. It's too cold. Nils? What's there, Mousy? Let's see the fish. Goodness. He likes his fish. I never thought he's gonna like it. Look at him. He's struggling there. Hi, baby. Well, he's gonna be busy for a while, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like and leave some love comments. Look at him. That was the biggest toy they have, and he's crazy about it. He's so funny. Bye guys. Thank you.